Hi, everybody. Today we teach you to upgrade the LEXUS. This is its original car control. This is the upgrade after the appearance. It supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. After connecting, you can call here, listen to songs, use online map navigation and many other mobile phone applications. So, do you want to know how to upgrade? Please follow the video. First, we rotate the gear grip left. Then remove the black decorative strips on both sides. Then we open the gear panel. The back of the plug does not need to be removed. The panel only need to put aside on the line. Now we remove the two screws that fix the cigarette lighter panel and remove the cigarette lighter panel. Now we unscrew the two screws below the bottom of the original car screen panel. Remove the air outlet. Then remove the two screws above the original car's screen panel. Now we will remove the original car screen panel. Unplug it on the back of the plug. This is what it looks like after it is removed. Okay, now we are installing the three metal brackets on the back of our new screen. Now start to connect the wire. This is the GPS antenna. This is the fourth generation antenna. It has two. This is a USB transmission line. There are two. This is the video input line. This is the RCA audio line. This is the screen power plug. This is the radio plug. This is a communication serial port plug. Now let it connect to the canvas box. Connect the key panel plug. Now connect the plug of the original car. We distinguish according to the size of the plug. If there is no suitable plug, there is no need to connect. After all the connections are completed, install the new screen and fix it with 4 screws. Connect the plug of the cigarette lighter panel and install it. Now install the shift panel and screw on the grip. Then install the two decorative strips on it. Finally, we will install the air outlet. Has been installed successfully. Before use, you need to set the canvas box. After the setting is completed, you also need to set the knob operation. After all are set up, you can use the button to operate the car air conditioning. In addition to this, It has other features to listen to local online music. You can also set the timbre you like and adjust the size of the sound heard in each seat. You can watch local, online video. You can listen to your favorite radio station. You can use the local map. You can also download other online map software. Okay, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.